Alkene is a chemical functionality widely used in modern chemistry and biology, particularly in alkene acid cycloaddition reactions. It enables the synthesis of complex molecular structure for applications in pharmaceutical, material sciences, and chemical biology. Technical agricultural alcohol is a highly purified product with a characteristic odor. This natural product is produced by fermentation of the sugars using yeast. The sugars are derived mainly from molasses and grain. Either amine alkoxylates and their derivatives have found increased use as agricultural surfactants in the past decade. Most of the documented application of either amine surfactants have been limited to glyphosate formulations.